What's up, guys? It's Patrick from Patty McGoat, and in this video, I'm going to be playing Among Us, and the recorded app right there. Usually the sound doesn't work, but I figured it out, and you actually need earphones, to have it work. So I want to join just a random game of Among Us. I'm gonna be Goat. My name is Goat. No, this one's full. I'm trying to join. I usually join like probably 7 out of 10. So okay, I'm joining this one. Sorry, full. So please be imposter. Please be imposter. Imposter. Yes. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Guys, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, there's the other imposter. I know the other imposters. Just because I'm an imposter, I know the other imposter. Okay, I killed someone already. I'm gonna fake a task here. I'm gonna say where. Or I just... Okay, I'm gonna skip vote. Oh yeah, Brown is actually, since I'm an imposter, I know who the imposter is, so I know that Brown's the imposter, and they're all saying that Brown is. Okay, yeah, Brown's out, unfortunately. We have 2 more. Come on, the imposters need to win. I would consider it a win if I do well, but we don't win. Like, usually we need the imposters to win. Who is? Oh my gosh. Already? I only killed 1 person. I don't know who killed the other 2. I think it was Brown and then the other imposter. Here, I'm just gonna vote skip. Usually if you're an imposter, you don't want to get the other person out, so I'm gonna skip. It's FBI. No, it's actually not FBI. It's actually not. I know because I'm the imposter, so I know who is the imposter and who is not. Okay. Oh, they said if it's not him, it's White. I don't want White to get voted out. I really don't want it. It'll be bad. Oh, no. Please don't call an emergency meeting, please. I can kill in 20, 19. I'm gonna go fake a task. Here, where is it? Where are they? I need to find some people to kill. Oh my gosh, can you not vote White out? This game's been kind of stupid because they're calling emergency meetings like every second. I probably would have killed like 3 people by now. At least I killed it and kept it secret. Like, okay, I'm not gonna vote. I'm just gonna vote red. Actually, yeah, I don't want the imposter. I don't want the crewmates to win. Oh, let's go. Okay, so we still have 2 more imposters to go. So, please don't call an emergency meeting. Please don't call an emergency meeting. Please don't call an emergency meeting. I don't want people thinking this game is... Why is this clocked? Why do you have to call in another emergency meeting? Here, I'm just gonna skip. I'm just gonna press skip. They probably think I may be sus because I'm the first one to vote. No, they said it's me. They said it's me. Wait, did they just vote me out? Oh, they just voted me out. They voted me out. Okay, come on. Why are the crewmates are gonna win? Come on, man. Oh my god. They said it would be White. Here. Okay, I need where's the other imposter? Where's the last imposter? He's dead. Alright, I'm gonna leave this game. I'm gonna leave. Actually, wait, we have one more imposter. We have one more imposter. Okay, don't. They said it's red. Here, just come on. I want to get someone out. So this is what needs to happen. Let's say we vote red out, and then white kills yellow. Oh, what? No. Can you not call another emergency meeting? Can you not call another emergency meeting? Here, you can still sabotage. Let me see. I want to sabotage. Let me see. How do I sabotage this? Well, how do I sabotage? The cafeteria is not here. The cafeteria. Okay, it's not working. I can't. I'm just gonna follow people around. Sabotage is not working. I'm gonna follow white. Let's see white. Let's see what white can do. Kill him. Kill him, white. Oh no. They're probably already thinking it's white. Please don't say it's white. Okay, they think it's yellow. So. Okay. Please. Oh, this got tied again. Why do we get tied? We should get 2 votes on it. This is so annoying how they call emergency meetings every second. Here, wait. Does the cafeteria work? Oh, wait a second. Upper engine. Wait, I'm sabotaging the upper engine. I'm waiting to sabotage it. Okay. Here, I'm gonna sabotage. Okay, I hope the sabotage works. Sometimes it didn't work. Okay, I sabotaged the tasks. Wait, where should I sabotage? No. I'm just gonna float out into space like I'm floating out into space. Let's go, I sabotaged the comms. Who's dead? I want to know who's dead or not. Oh, I think purple's dead. We just need him to kill one more person. Please, we need him to kill one more person. Oh, look at my poor pet. There's also another poor pet right there. We need to kill one more person, I'm pretty sure. Let's go! We won! Let's go. I'm playing again, guys. I'm playing again. It's annoying that they called so many emergency meetings, because if they didn't, I would have got to kill more people. Like, I know the key by, like, killing, like, so it was only one imposter in 10 people, and I killed, like, 8 people, and then ended up winning, so that was so goaty. Let's see, if I'm imposter again, I'll be so happy. Oh, I'm crewmate this time, so please don't vote me out. Please don't vote me out. No, please don't vote me out. And please don't kill me. Okay, I don't want to get killed. Oh, I think black is a little sus. Black seems sus. Okay, we have a dead body reported. No, please don't say it's green. Yeah, black. I agree with him. Black is sus. Black is sus. Black is sus. Oopsies. Black is sus. Okay, I'm the first person to vote, so. I agree with orange. Oh, orange got the most votes. I think orange is also sus. Yeah. What? Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's black. It's black. We all know it's black. It's black. Oopsies. I'm trying to do a task. I'm trying to find a task without getting killed. No, don't kill me. Don't kill me, yellow. Don't kill me. Oh, there's no task. Wait, the reactor. I have to go to the reactor. Don't kill me. No. How do you do this thing? Okay, I did it. I think I did the task. What? I'm okay. Let's go. Wait, I have just 3. Okay, I have 2 more tasks. 2 more hard tasks, actually, and then I'm surprised. Done. Then I'm done. So. Okay, it's not me. Not me. Why is this keyboard? I hate this keyboard. Okay, it's black. Wait a second. I forgot. I didn't vote. I didn't have time to vote. The voting time was so low. I couldn't vote. Yep, of course. Black. Black says he's not an imposter, while he really, of course, is the imposter. And please don't vote me out. Sometimes I get annoyed. Always get so annoyed when I get voted out, and I'm not really the imposter. It annoys me so badly. Let me. Is there any tasks here? Oh, that's the admin. Oh my gosh, another emergency meeting, guys. Another emergency meeting. Oh, Cyan said it's him. Cyan, which is the light blue. Cyan's light blue. He said it was him. Okay, just vote him out. If we vote him out, then why would he say it's him? That's so dumb. Literally, the crewmates are now gonna win. No, he could be tricking. He could be tricking us. I don't think he voted. He could have voted himself just because he knows he's gonna. Yeah, that was so dumb of him. That was so dumb. Now let's go. The crewmates win. 2-0. Crewmates win. What? Ah! Oh my gosh! Stop. That's so loud. No! Turn that thing off! I want that thing off! I don't want a stupid ad about... How do you get this thing off? Oh my gosh, I'm annoyed. Okay, here, I'm back in. It's private. Make it public. I'm playing on my phone, so the keys are so close together. Okay, it's public. Followed my directions. Well, someone left, so. Okay. Wait, his name is Patrick, which is close to my name. There's someone named Patrick in here. It's so close to my name. My name's Patrick, so it's Patrick. By the way, guys, my channel's name is Patty McGoat. Actually, I like to be called Patrick and not like Pat or Patty for short. I just like Patty McGoat. I would rather have Patty McGoat sounds cooler than Patrick McGoat, so I like it Patty McGoat. Okay, imposter. Please, 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 please. Oh. Someone left. Another person left. I always go to tasks here first. No, there's no task over here. Don't kill me, Blue. Don't kill me. Oh, what? How did that happen so quickly? It happened so quickly, guys. Okay, start. Yes, okay. This person. Once I was waiting for like 10 minutes for the person to start the game, it was so bad. Imposter. I need to be imposter for my... Oh my gosh. Why my crewmates again? It's like pretty late, guys. It's like 11:30, so I'm gonna go to bed in a second. No, it's white. It's white. It's white. It's white. Actually, wait, it's purple. I think it's purple. It's either purple... Purple's chasing white, so I think it's purple. I think it's purple. I'm not gonna call emergency meeting. Emergency meetings are so bad. Okay, I'm doing the task. Okay, it's 19316. Why do I have 0 tasks completed? I think I got my tasks. I think I got it sabotaged. I think it said I got it sabotaged. What? Wait, what just happened? Oh, okay. I thought the imposters were gonna win in a sec. Like just now. Here. Everyone's coming here. I'm afraid someone's gonna kill me over here. Well, it'll actually be kind of stupid because there's so many people around, so they're gonna tell everyone that he's the imposter. So. Okay, not the admin. Oh. Oh, it's purple. Yeah, purple. It's purple. It's purple. Purple. It's purple. It's you, purple. Why does it say pupil? Wait, purple, not pupil. Wait, the purple. Wait, did purple get the most votes? Let's go, purple. Yes, of course he's imposter. He's chasing white everywhere. Oh, please don't kill me, red. Red's chasing me. It's red. Wait, is it red? I think it may be red. Okay, wait, there's a task over here. Here, what do we do over here? Wait, what's this task? How do you do this? Oh, okay. I can't find any tasks. It's been hard to find tasks in this game. Where are all the tasks? Wait, I'm gonna just check in the reactor. Wait, is it dark blue or light blue? Here, I think it's blue. I'm gonna vote blue. Don't vote me out. Wait, they just said light blue. No, it's not me. No, it's not me. They're gonna vote me out. They said it's light blue. Oh my gosh, are you serious? See, I'm not imposter. See, that's right. I'm gonna leave. I'm so annoyed when I get voted out. That annoys me all the time when I get voted out when I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna join another game. It annoys me. Doesn't it annoy you like when you get voted out when you're not really imposter? It can be so annoying. This thing is glitching. It's so glitchy. It's so glitchy. Ah, no. Okay, go. I'm gonna leave. Oh yeah, why did I join that? I'm gonna join this one. Okay, please don't. Please be imposter. And if I'm imposter, if I'm crewmate, please don't vote me out. Yes, I'm imposter. Guys, I'm imposter. Now please don't call an emergency meeting. Oh, let's go. We won right away. But I didn't even get to kill anyone. Why didn't I get to kill anyone? That's the annoying thing, is I didn't get to kill anyone. I was going to kill someone. I was going to fake a task and kill someone. Okay, I'm joining. I just joined another game. Okay, they're starting. Everyone left. Why did they leave so I couldn't kill anyone? Yes, I'm imposter again. Okay, I'm imposter again. Oh, I'm gonna kill this guy. Oh my gosh. Oh, why would you do that? Why would he kill him in front of us? Oh, I'm gonna kill him. Let's go. That game was so goaty. I'm gonna stop for now. I think that's enough playing, so. Okay, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I got to play for a little longer, so I hope you enjoy. So, see you in my next video.